guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to get this lovely look using only the Dark Magic palette from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, bar like one eyeshadow and a glitter. Okay, it was difficult, but yeah, so I'll be showing you how to get this look in this tutorial, so if you're interested then just keep on watching. Like normal, I am just gonna do my base first because this is more like an eyeshadow thing. So do the base first, we'll quickly zoom through that and then we'll get onto the eyes. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I got these little dividers and I can now kind of like organise all my base stuff into my little drawers. I would say I would do like a video for it, but it's really not that interesting because I don't have a lot of makeup, so it's not like I could go through a lot. But I mean, if that's something that you guys want to see, I can just put it on my Instagram stories or I can put it on my IGTV. But you know, if the people want, I'm happy to give them what they want. So let me know if you want to see that, because I would really like to just show you guys. Who knows, I might just show you anyway. Forget it, forget what you want, I'm just gonna say it, I'm just gonna tell you. But yeah, I'm just really like those. It just made me feel like I've got my actual life together now that I have like that. There we go, base is done. So I think I have a rough idea of what I want to do for my eyes, but you know, we'll soon find out. I've got bits of needles. So I'm gonna zoom you guys closer so you can get a better look. Just like normal, I'm gonna start off with the PLouise base. As you can see, mine is getting onto running low. I'm just gonna buff this all over like both lids. Yes, base is down, so what I'm thinking is focusing more on the greens, just because I've already used this blue before and I just know that it's beautiful. So I think I'm gonna focus more on the greens and probably go for like I wanted to like a halo eye, spotlight eye situation. So I just need to figure out how I'm going to get about this because it's all very small areas. So I need a teeny itty bitty brush. Right, so first off I am going to start with Inside Job, which is this like really nice dark green there, and I'm just going to pack that on the outer edge first. And already my stuff has moved. So this beauty blender just has a tiny little bit of like powder and stuff on it, and where I've set my under eye, so just sets that little bit. Oh wow. I'm just really starting to pick and build the colour up first, and then begin to move it this way a little bit. Okay, so we got the overall shape there. I'm just going to move on to this side and I'll be right back. So now that we officially look just a little bit weird, we are now going to blend this section out. So I'm going in with the shade Potion, which is this really weird and slightly gross green colour. Oh, a little bit of kickback on that one. And then I'm just going to blend that out. Can you even see like a difference? I guess kind of. Just come down a little bit. See, now because of where I'm thinking of this, I probably am going to have to dip into a different palette. It's really interesting, this green kind of blends out into like a blue as well. Right, yeah, so just because of the vibe I'm going with, I just think it looks a bit dark, so I am just going to go in with Faith, which is this yellow here from the Kaylee and the Sosu palette. I mean, I could use the yellow from the Jaclyn Hill collection, but it's just a little bit too muted. Really just gonna build this up and get the colours in this section here as and how I want them. So we've come a fair way. Literally all I've done is just like build the dark green. So I've just literally built this colour up, added a little bit more of this, and then even though I wasn't really meant to, I've just used a little bit more of Faith, just because the yellow that I wanted was just wanting to be a little bit more vibrant and a little bit more like tropical rather than dull. And I did blend a little bit of the white in there as well. Now what I'm going to do, start off with the inner corner, is I'm going to go in with the shade Poof, which is this little kind of creamy colour, and just put that in my inner corner just to brighten it a little bit and remove some of the colour that I've already put in. Then that will lend itself really nicely when we go and put the inner corner highlighter on. Spotlighty action. I don't know how I want to do it. I'm just going to cut it, it's fine. So I am going to kind of effectively cut my crease in a way again for the spotlight portion of my eye. Now what am I using? It's actually cut it. I'm going to go back in with my PLouise base. Just put it there so that you can see it on there. And this is where we don't breathe. Okay, so that's taken me ages, so I'm just gonna stop. There we go, it's done, it's on. Can't help it now. What I think I'm going to do is a mixture. I want to mix Power Cut and Trickery, so the green and the silver. So I'm just going to start by putting the green on. To be honest, this will probably help blend out the face. Okay, so we've got a very shoddy little green application job going on, and now I'm using the same brush, flipping it over and going in with the silver on top there. So I'm just gonna fill in the shadow on the sides again. Okay, we'll just really ignore that side because that is literally a train wreck. And then I'm just gonna go in with a nice thin brush and just deepen this up again. Okay, so like looking at the look itself, I probably didn't need to cut the crease, but we did it. So do you want to add the shade Mojo into the inner and outer corners just to deepen that a little bit more, so there's more depth between the greens. Hopefully we can fix this train mess. So this is what we have so far. I'm just going to put a bit of an inner corner highlighter on, some liner and some lashes, and I think we're probably going to be done. So I'll be right back. Okay, if I look a bit different, that's because I've changed the battery in my camera, so we may have moved. Anyway, I just put a little bit of my Kiko eyeliner, Studio Eyeliner Signature Eye Marker. There we go. Yeah, just put a bit of that on, just kind of in this bit and left that bit quite blank. And now I'm going to try out some new lashes. So I got this lovely parcel from Jenny at welovelashes.com. Yeah, there's a little card. I don't know if you can read it. Yeah, and she sent me quite a few little falsies to try and a false lash applicator as well. So I thought now would be a better time than as any to try them out. So these are the styles that she sent me. So she sent me these ones by Lash Exo, which really pretty. She sent me this lash glue by Revlon, and these lashes by Unicorn Lashes, the cherry top ones. And I think these are most definitely the ones I'm probably going to go with today. So they come like this in an actual box and packet. God, I've never used these before, they're so cool. Right, first off is the lash for you. So let's see how it fits on my eye. It's actually just a little bit long, so alright, I'm going to trim it and glue it and stick it on, so I'll be right back. Right, we've got the lashes on and I am genuinely obsessed with how fluttery they are. They've got all the drama on the end and they still let your spotlight shine. So what I'm going to do now, my under eyes, and then I think we're just about finished. So just going to go and wipe off anything that may have fallen down while we were blending and whatnot. Now I think that palette, this palette, really good because so pigmented, but the fallout is pretty much non-existent if I say so myself. I'm going to start off back with Inside Job, which is the green. We're just going to put it kind of mimicking the spotlight we have up there. And then I'm going to go back in with the green shades and the yellow shades. Well, the lighter green and the yellow. Just to blend that out a little bit. Okay, and now we have all of that room for those shimmers again. First going in with the green one. And then the silver. I'm going to put some of this Glam Crystals by Collection glitter liner there too. This is in the shade Glitz. I think I'm going to put a little bit on top as well. No, add a little bit more pizzazz. Boom. Okay, now maybe the glitter on the other side is just a little bit too much, but oh well. Anyway, I'm going to put mascara on and I'm going to be right back. Old brows are on, and now it's time to zoom you guys out for the lips. So for my lips, I'm going in with Jeffree Star's Androgyny. I just think this is a really nice, like, neutral colour. Okay. I always tickle my lips too much. Woohoo! So we're done. Let me just sort all of this out and I'll be right back. So here we are. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed. This was all done with the Dark Magic palette from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, aside from one eyeshadow and a little bit of glitter. Okay, I think you can cut me some slack. But yeah, so this is the look. I just keep staring at these little bits under my eyes, it's so strange. But yeah, this is the finished look. Again, this palette, along with the other three that I've got, I mean, I just can't fault them. I don't know what it is, I just can't fault. If you are going to buy any of these palettes, I would always just splash out a little bit more and go for the Jaclyn Hill ones, the James Charles ones, the Jeffree Star stuff. I just think their collabs are just that little bit better and I think it's worth it personally. And also these lashes, I love them. Like, they feel so soft, they're so light. I think I need to trim them just a little bit more because they are stabbing me, but amazing. I just love them. I think they're so comfortable. So they're the unicorn lashes ones, the ones I wore. So I just want to say thanks, Jenny, for sending them to me. This video is not sponsored at all, just gifted. But yeah, so this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know as always. But yeah, so that's it for today. But yeah, if you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe, all of that good stuff down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.